Hi, I'm Ivan Zoot with RockPaperShears.com, and today we're attempting to address some of the FAQ, the frequently asked questions about our brand. And occasionally when someone's learning about our brand and looking at our business model, they ask the question, what happens if I lose my scissors? Your scissors, our scissors. What happens if the scissors are stolen? My scissors were in the case was in my car got stolen from the parking lot of the restaurant on Saturday night. What happens? Well, we're not in the business of making money from other people's misfortunes. We realize stuff happens, and some stuff isn't fun, isn't good, isn't happy, or isn't convenient for anyone. And that's what we want our brand to be. We want it to be fun, good, convenient, and happy. So the answer is, you're sitting on some inventory. You've got something of value, and we're charging you a low monthly payment to have, use, and enjoy the product. In the event that a scissors disappears, lost or stolen, reach out to us via email. We're going to ask you to cover the cost, not the full retail price of that product. We're going to thank you for letting us know and being honest with us. And we're going to ask you to continue to be a happy, loyal customer. We'll settle up with you for the cost of the scissors. We will ship you a fresh tool, and life moves on and everybody's happy. We just want the brand to work for you and work for us, and we know stuff happens. For more about Rock, Paper, Shears, our opportunity, and our fabulous professional haircutting scissors, visit us online at rockpapershears.com.